going on, man? You arguing with your wife?
All your messages. That's all finance issues.
This is how I have to be. This is my life. Always with Johnny.
Your life wasn't like this, boo boo.
No, I don't know.
No, but you spoke to all
I don't know no one.
You were embarrassed.
On August 10th, 2023, a domestic dispute in Hollywood, Florida, turned violent when Miami-Dade police officer Andres Perez assaulted his wife over financial strain and infidelity accusations. A person is guilty of battery if he intentionally causes bodily harm to another person, as defined by Florida Statute 784.03 for misdemeanor battery. Video evidence showed Perez throwing a cheeseburger and striking his wife, with her 911 call reporting, "He ended up putting hands on me. It's better to walk away from a disrespectful situation than to resort to assault," as Perez's actions only escalated their conflict. The incident exposed a troubled marriage strained by financial issues and mistrust.
You got an argument with your girl? I don't know who's there.
Yeah, wife.
What happened? What's going on?
23.
Yeah, go in. Long story short, with the kids, we were going through some issues. Long story short, she wants to call a split. Things don't make sense. It's all about financial problems, to be honest with you. She doesn't have a job, so she's been trying to find one. I tried to tell her, let's go out with the kids, whatever, so we took the kids out. Well, I took the kids out. Came back, bought food. And man, I can show you all the messages. It's just...
We got in a dispute, we got in a fight.
Okay, what is it over?
Arguments. I always just want to, I don't want to be with him anymore. He's always acting this way whenever whenever I'm depressed or something, I always have to be good. When I feel like some sort of way, he starts acting out.
Okay, what actually happened?
He broke the door. He broke the front door. He punched the door with this one, and I'm tired of the kids seeing.
I'm not gonna tell you it's...
I get you. I get you.
You know, I know she's gonna say whatever, but long story short, I don't really get it, bro. Like your wife can tells you I want to go have fun, so then she literally tells you I want to go have fun with somebody else, and then I'm like okay, fine, sometimes you guys make good moments. I'm understanding. The next it's bad. So it's I don't know where to put my anger, so I put my anger, and yeah, fine, I break a door, break a couple break a wall.
It's better than the other.
Right, gotcha. Right, you know what I'm trying to say? So a couple times, yeah, so literally right now, bro, I f***ing threw a cheeseburger at her.
What? Okay, so what actually happened today? What is the argument over?
The argument is he says it's money. It's not money. I'm stressed because I've been trying to find a job. I've been trying to
So it's work related.
I have a lot of issues building up. My family, this and that. So today I wanted to stay in bed. He took the kids and I got to a point in my life that I feel like I need to restart. I need to because it's just so much problems. So I cannot give a little bit of attitude. I cannot anything. That he starts. That he always ends up being very aggressive. Very aggressive.
When you say very aggressive, what do you mean?
He normally breaks walls, breaks the door, breaks.
Okay, well, I'm talking about as far as where you're concerned. You guys are physical today?
Yeah.
Okay, when you say physical, how?
We were in here, and then he hit me with the bag, and that's when I went he's grabbing me like that, and for me to push him, I start, because he was grabbing me.
Okay. The McDonald's fucking cheeseburger.
It didn't get. It was a verbal. Was it a verbal argument?
It gets verbal, and obviously it gets really bad because I fucking punched the fucking door and shit like that.
And so there's nothing, what it's like. There's nothing wrong with punching a wall. It's always better to punch a wall.
Right, but in her eyes, I know it's bad, and I'm not trying to make it bad for him. I promise you, man, it's been 8 years. I'm trying to be understanding, but I tell her it's yo, okay. So if you're broke, Why does that tell you, okay, you want to go have fun with somebody else? We can break up right now. You can go and you go have fun with somebody else.
Right.
But you're still broke. It
Right.
still doesn't change your situation.
Right. It's not going to change anything.
So I'm literally trying, I told her, you do realize you're literally turning me in just to go have fun. We can go have fun. Yes, I'm always working, but I'm working because there's a financial, I'm trying to fucking pay the bills.
Right.
So, bro, I'm working every overtime, every fucking detail, every fucking damn thing.
It gets frustrating. Trust me, bro.
Leave that, bro.
Nah, I understand. Especially when you're working a lot, you only got the house, and it's just you and it's you by yourself financially, and it's hard. Especially you don't really got time to be home because you're always working because the other person is.
Like, I'm home. No, because, like, I slap in the face. I took off Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday to tomorrow, I have a Dolphins game to go work, a detail. But I took off these 3 days literally to go spend the time with her. Gotcha. And, like, literally, she tells me last night, oh, I'm going to go out with some guy, whatever. And I'm like, bro, I can show him. It caught me at a good moment. Because I'm like, okay, fine. Like, I'm trying to be understanding. But then at night, not that she went out, she ended up just going to the gym because the guy said no, whatever. But then at night, you tell me, we have a spare room, so I'm sleeping in the spare room. Oh, come tell me have sex. And then right after, it's like, bro, like, I'm a fucking ball of emotions.
Because you're going back and forth.
You, in the argument, he hit you with the bag, or you hit him with the bag, or
No, he
threw the bag.
He said it was just like it really didn't hurt me. He said it was just, but I felt like he was yelling. I have things over him yelling at me. Like I was literally like eating, and then like it always happens. He's like, oh, they never do anything to him.
Like I said, I'm just trying to understand. You guys got into an argument. He threw the bag.
No, he didn't throw the bag. He hit me with the bag. He hit me, and it was his hand. He grabbed the bag. It was his hand. His hand hit me. Okay. He threw the bag, but he went like this. That's when I got the sword and the third time.
Okay, so you threw a sword at him. Let me see where. I'm trying to see where it is.
And then he started grabbing me.
Go talk to her, bro. I don't know, like, what you really want. Like, I know I've been here, but I don't know what you want me to tell you, man.
I know. Listen, I hear you going through a lot, bro. Trust me. I understand completely. My wife wasn't working. I'm on OT right now, so trust me.
I wake up, give this girl coffee, make her breakfast almost every fucking goddamn day, bro. Get the baby prepared. Take her to the daycare. Go to work. Repeat the process. Come home. Pick up the baby from the daycare. The other two boys do not problem because they're in summer. If not, they'll be going to school right back here. It's like, I'm doing everything.
How many kids you guys got? 2? 3?
We have one in common. Mm-hmm. She has her boy, I have my boy, so I got 3 kids. Okay. Like, I don't know what to do.
I get you, bro. Just take it easy right now, man. Just take it easy. Let me you got your, is this car registered to you?
No, they're actually both registered to her.
Okay.
I sold my truck. I sold my watches. I sold everything.
Or, got you.
And then you want to tell me, oh, I want to, like, bro, I'm being accused. Oh, because I guess some bar. It's in Doral. Some bar there. She's applied. The person never contacted her back. They literally just did it maybe like less than an hour ago. I've been accused of, oh, I called them to not hire her.
Oh, wow.
Blah, 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 blah. Bro, I reached out to friends to contact those people to reach out to her. I ended up DMing on my Instagram, fucking restaurant, hey, what time's orientation, just acting dumb, whatever, to try to like grab the information that she needs. And they finally, and literally all it was that apparently, I guess maybe lost in communication, whatever, the lady emails her saying, hey, look, I never got your, you haven't sent me the information it was asked for, I can't do anything about it for the orientation tomorrow.
Perez tried to justify his violence to responding officers, blaming his wife's behavior and financial disputes. A police officer is held to a higher standard of conduct. Per Miami-Dade Police Interim Director Stephanie V. Daniels' statement condemning such acts, he admitted to destructive outbursts like punching a door, claiming it was better than harming his wife directly. The victim's account and video evidence of Perez hitting her with a McDonald's bag contradicted his deflections. Her statement, "He's a cop, they never do anything to him," highlighted fears of his badge shielding him.
The woman, it's been clean. I gave her all the passwords to like the AT&T, the service provider. She has all the passwords. She can check all my logs. I have printed out my own logs.
Got you for it.
Highlighted, named it. I don't have access to it to go even check hers. But the other week, she literally tells me that she was already talking to another guy. Oh, we didn't do anything. It was just a friend. I understand it was just a friend. Let me see the message. Oh, I deleted it. Now it looks...
Now it looks suspicious. Yeah.
Now it looks bad.
Gotcha.
I send her money, whatever.
10-4.
Fill up the car. She didn't want to leave with me and the boys. I go, listen, we can just be friends. Just think of it as like, you know, we're broken up, but you got your kid, my kid, and they're like brothers. They've been inseparable.
Got
like,
you.
since
So you try to keep them together, exactly.
Right. So, just come. I go, if you want, your car's filled up, meet me there. Came alone. Fine. Still no. Oh, I'm gonna color my hair. Okay, fine. There's your money, there's this. Went grocery shopping early at fucking 7:01, right in Publix. Groceries. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, oh, that's why you took the boys out. No, because I promised myself I was gonna be a better dad.
Right.
That's why I do their football on Saturday. Go biking with them. I try to do everything.
You made the time for them.
Like, I don't even go to the gym for myself. I don't have 5 minutes to myself.
Because you're always out working. I'm trying to be a better father. I get you, man. I trust me. Trust me. Just wait right here with me, man.
6 Foxtrot X-ray Julia, a black motorcycle, 51. Did you have the island on the parkway?
Mr. Perez.
You have 94 at Island on the parkway, reference 750.
Mind turning around and
531, show you 97.
Congratulations, man.
I'm sorry?
You don't have anything on you, do you?
So I'm gonna do this fake for you. I'm gonna take off your watch, alright? Okay, yeah. Take your watch off. Thank you. Put your hands together like you're putting like this.
Sorry.
Yeah, you good, man?
Sorry.
So we gonna take your phone and your watch. I'm gonna put this bracelet in your book bag. All right.
Yes, sir.
Gotcha. Do you know where his wallet is and his keys to his police car? He said it's by the table. Oh, crap. No, I got the old ones.
Hardest that you can. I never regret saying that, but I want you to disappear. You're, I take care of you. Just in your,
I'm escaping at the same time.
This has become because you want to be independent, because you want to be stress-free, because you have a finance issue. Just you still can't give me a fucking hint. We can break up. You can live in your own place. You tell me, how does money tell you to leave me? There's no way. This didn't happen.
You concentrate on the nice part. That's whatever you tell
What
me.
nice part? That's what you put.
No. I don't trust you. That's why I'm leaving you. I don't trust you.
3 years ago?
I know, not from 3 years. I don't trust you. The damage you did too much. That's why I'm leaving you. I'm leaving you because I'm done.
3 years ago! You're the one who to somebody behind my back just the other week. I have a clean system. I earned my right. Yeah, you want to tell me?
I told you someone when I was pregnant. And you abandoned your pregnant girl.
What the did you do when I was out there working? You boy.
No,
Angel.
I don't know.
No, wait, you everyone behind my back.
No one.
You embarrassed me. You worked at the peanut bar.
I
And you
didn't fuck.
sucked every
Fuck no one. first started. How my friends saw you. Now my friends saw you naked because you decided to go speak and they
The arrest of Andres Perez on August 10, 2023 for misdemeanor battery marked a critical moment in addressing police misconduct, but it also amplified questions about accountability and public trust. Any actions that may hinder the public's confidence in law enforcement is unacceptable, declared Interim Director Daniels, reflecting the department's stance. Subsequently, Perez was released on a $1,000 bond. The victim's fear, evident in her 911 call, and belief that her husband's badge would shield him, underscored a power imbalance that resonates beyond this case. Body cam footage and video evidence showing Perez's assault, followed by her cries, painted a picture of betrayal by someone sworn to protect. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.